Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start now. Confirm your NTC SIM is active and that your plan supports Volte because the phone only enables it with carrier support. Once done, make sure your iPhone model is compatible, iPhone 6 is or newer, and update iOS to the latest release to avoid software blocks. After updating, power off briefly, insert the NTC SIM securely, and restart the device so the network registers correctly. This primes the phone for the next configuration steps. Now you configure Volte. Open Settings, go to Cellular, then Cellular Data Options, and look for Voice and Data. Select LTE and enable Volte or the HD Voice option. If that toggle is missing, check for carrier settings updates by going to Settings, General About, accept any prompt. Next, verify the APN values under Cellular Data Network match NTC settings. Incorrect APN can let data work, but block Volte calls. So finish by verifying. Make a call and watch for the Volte or HD icon while confirming data remains active. That proves voice over LTE is functioning. If you don't see it, toggle airplane mode briefly or go to Settings General Reset Network Settings, then reboot and reinsert the SIM. If problems persist, contact NTC support and provide your IMEI and account info. Sometimes the carrier must activate Volte on their end, and they can push the required profile to your device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.